Hello students, I Pramod sir once again welcomes you all in our 6th lesson triangles. Students, we have taken first question of exercise 6.2 in earlier class. Now we are going to start the second one. The second question is E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. So students, I can draw a rough figure like this. PQR is a triangle given. E and F are respectively like on PQ and PR is given to us. For the following cases, state whether EF parallel to QR. That means students, हमको ये चेक करना है कि ये जो EF है, ये और ये QR, EF पैरेलल टू QR है कि नहीं है, ये हमको चेक करना है, ये दो पैरेलल है कि नहीं है. So students, there are three questions given, 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to start with this. What is given students? PE equals to 3.9. It is given 3.9. EQ, it is also given, it is 3. PF 3.6. It is also given, and FR 2.4. It is also given. That means students, we have given these segments length. So we know that for checking whether these two are parallel or not, we need these ratios, right? So first of all, what will I write? PE upon EQ. PE upon EQ equals to how much PE? It is 3.9. EQ, it is 3 given. 3 means students 3.0. Or you can write 3 also, no matter. Now we can divide this. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Point. 3 3s are 9. That means 1.3 upon 1. That is, you can write 13 upon 10. Because 1.3 upon 1 means what? 1.0. And after taking out these decimal points, we get 13 upon 10. So students, we get the ratio PE upon EQ now. Now we have to focus over PF upon FR. So students, I am writing here PF upon FR. It is 3.6 upon 2.4. Now students, after decimal point, one digit is there in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So we can take out the decimal point very easily. We can write 36 upon 24. Now students, 12 to the 24. अगर हमने 12 से अगर डिवाइड किया 36 और 24 को, 12 3 दा और ये है 12 2 दा, तो 12 2 दा 24 and 12 cancel means 12 3 दा 36. So students, we can see after getting these two ratios, are these equal? No, it is 13 upon 10. Let's say it is 1 and suppose this is 2. So from 1 and 2 we can write that these two are not equal. So I can write PE upon EQ is not equal to PF upon FR. So students, ये ratios सेम नहीं है, इक्वल नहीं है, इसका मतलब therefore EF is not parallel EF is not parallel to QR। और ये हम क्यों बोल सकते हैं? क्योंकि कन्वर्स ऑफ बीपीटी, हाँ ये हमने पढ़ा है लास्ट क्लास में कि कन्वर्स ऑफ बीपीटी में ये दो अगर इक्वल रहते हैं रेशियो तो ये पैरेलल होते हैं, मगर ये दो इक्वल नहीं है। सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस कन्वर्स वी कैन राइट दैट EF and QR will not parallel. So students, now the next one. Second, once again I will draw a figure. Let us see what is given. The same figure I am drawing here. Let us see what is given now. PE 4, okay, it is given, it is 4 centimeter. QE 4.5 centimeter. QE is given 4.5 centimeter. PF 8 centimeter and RF 9 centimeter. Students, we don't need to draw the figure, but for our solution we have to draw a rough figure like this. It will be more helpful for us. Here also students 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 parts are given. Means in the similar way like first we can solve the second one also. Once again I am writing PE upon EQ. So students, it is 4 centimeter, it is 4.5. Units are same, no matter. 4 upon 4.5. 4 means 4.0, you know students. Decimal point 1 digit, decimal point 1 digit means it is 40 upon 45. We can write, right? 4 means 4.0. So 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. So we simplify this and it's number 1 now. And another one, PF upon FR, and PF upon FR is equal to, PF is 8 centimeter and RF is 9 centimeter. Same unit, no need to change anything. It is clear. And from 1 and 2, no need to solve here because it is in simplest form. So from 1 and 2 we can write, from 1 and 2 we can write that PE upon EQ, both are same, you can see 8 upon 9, 8 upon 9. So PE upon EQ equals to PF upon FR, and therefore we can write EF. Here they were not equal, so not parallel, but now these two ratios are equal, so these two, EF is parallel to QR, and the reason we must write here, converse of basic proportionality theorem. With the help of this theorem we are writing this EF is parallel to QR. Now students, the third one, let us see what is given here for the same figure, and later we have to check whether EF is parallel to QR or not. What is given? PQ equals to 1.2 PQ. So students, now this complete portion is given. PQ, it is completely 1.28 centimeter. This complete length is given. Instead of this, PR 2.56 and that complete also. PR, it is 2.56 centimeter. Okay, I am not writing the units. PR is completely given. PE 0.18 centimeter. PE, okay, it is 0.18. Means this complete PQ and PE is given, and PF 0.36 means here the complete PR and PF, this portion only is given to us, right? So students, first of all, what should we do? We try to find out these things. We need PQ and we need FR. So very easily we can find out PQ minus PE will give us EQ. EQ, we can start like this. EQ is nothing but, EQ will be what? PQ minus PE. PQ minus PE. और रीजन क्या है इसका? PEQ, बिटवीननेस बोलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स इसको. ये बिटवीननेस का रीजन लिखना जरूरी होता है. You can see here EQ equals to PQ minus PE. So students, PQ is 1.28 minus PE is 0.18. So students, when you will subtract 0.18 from 1.28, what will you get? You will get 1.10, right? So 1.10 centimeter is EQ now. So we solve this, we get this now. Okay, now let us focus over FR. How to find out FR? In the similar way we can find FR equals to PR minus PF, and the same reason is here, PFR. It is the betweenness, PFR. So students, PR is 2.56 minus PF is 0.36, and in the similar way, what will we get? If you will subtract 0.36 from 2.56, definitely you will get 2.20 centimeter. So we have now EQ as well as FR. So we can find out these ratios also. So students, once again we will go with the same way like this one, like these two early. So now PE upon EQ equals to, students, PE is 0.18, EQ 1.10, decimal point 2 digits. Decimal point 2 digits means we can take out decimal point. So it is 18 upon 110. So students, if we simplify this, 2 से डिवाइड होता है because both are even numbers. तो 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 2 9 are 18, और इसको भी अगर हम 2 से अगर डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमको मिलेगा 55. So it is equation 1, ratio number 1. And for second also we are going to start PF upon FR. PF 0.36, FR we have find out 2.20. In the similar way, after decimal point 2 digits, that means we can write it 36 upon 220. Once again, both are even numbers, but you can see it is divisible by 4. 4 9s are 36, and last 2 digits are 20. Means it is 220 is also divisible by 4. So students, 36 को अगर हमने 4 से डिवाइड किया तो 9 मिलेंगे, और 220 को अगर हमने 4 से डिवाइड किया, 4 5 are 20, 2 4 5 are 20. So means अगर हमने 220 को अगर 4 से अगर डिवाइड किया तो we will get 55. So it will become second. Now you can see 9 upon 55 है 9/55 means what? Both are same. So once again from 1 and 2, PE upon EQ equals to PF upon FR, and therefore EF दोनों रेशियोज इक्वल है, इसका मतलब EF is parallel to QR, and we have to write down the reason converse of basic proportionality theorem. So students, this question was completely based on application of converse of basic proportionality theorem. Might be in exam also some easier question will be there. So in next class we will see the further examples of exercise 6.2. Okay students, see you, bye, have a